I agree. So, brilliant week, and breakthroughs have been incredible for me with this whole technical side of things. Just working out that thing, one bloody thing that just, that thing that just gets to you all the time. And it was like, it was quite disruptive because people would ask for my link. I would send my link and the wrong photo would come up. And like the amount of time I spent looking around within that back office area, like that was incredible. Like, because all you're looking for is that photo. You're looking for that photo and where is that photo and why is that? You wouldn't think to go to the upload area either. Like, because it's uploaded in there, you wouldn't expect it to be pulling it from there either. So I have no idea what that scrape button did.
I think it just updated the data, or I guess Facebook remembers data. And then once it's refreshed, like I think it scrapes itself over, like, but I don't know how often. So, it could have taken another month for it to update. We just don't know.
Yeah,
so at least now that if you make a change and you want it to reflect straight away, you can scrape it.
Who would ever have thought?
I know. It's just, and this is the type of stuff you learn on the journey, right? And Google is your friend.
Really?
But now you know, and that's the only way you learn is by spending insane amounts of time on dumb shit, and then learning how to do it, and then after that, it's seconds. But yeah, I reckon it's almost like a rite of passage for this.
I think so, because it just highlighted that, I can do this. And it highlights to anyone else that anyone can do this, really. It's just brilliant. Yeah. So have you had a look? You might not have had a chance to have a look. Mm-hmm. Shall I share the screen and just quickly show you the website as it stands right now? I'll just very quickly, hold on, I'll get rid of all of this stuff. And I will open that and then I'll share screen. Can you see?
Oh my gosh, look what you've done. I'm sorry, I brought it up on my own computer. But
can you see that? Like, what does it look like on yours? Actually, it's a good thing to do to see whether it's reflecting.
Hang on, where'd it go? You've completely changed the front page. It looks awesome. That looks awesome. The picture is better.
Yes.
It's great. You nailed it.
Yes. I'm just going through it.
Well done.
I'm just scrolling through it. So do you see that bottom band now? Black?
Yep.
Just neutral sort of, that's really, the base is the black and white.
Love it.
And if we click on this button here, this is what you showed me. See, I would never have got to this stage had we have not had that phone conversation. Mm-hmm. So there's the picture in here, right?
I'm so stoked for you. That's awesome. See how you've got your text on the grey background there?
Yes.
There. I would reflect that on your home page down the bottom where you've got your vision and your mission. Because at the moment I can't quite read it. I would use the same style of white text with the grey background over the picture.
Use that then on my home page.
On your home page.
That's a great idea.
Styling. Yeah. Because I can't read the text on your home page at the moment. It's very hard to read. Down the bottom about your vision and mission.
Yeah, let me go back to that. It's funny how you miss stuff, right?
I mean, it's not like it's uber important. No. It's just like.
But the congruency with that too, again, because I'm all about that follow through, that they're not being taken to some weird, strange place.
Yeah.
See, that's a little bit. Yeah. Okay. So those 3 boxes.
No. Your vision and mission.
Yeah, it's very hard to read.
Yeah. So I would just look at what you've got on your landing page and see if you can just maybe have the white text with a grey.
Good
something
idea.
that ties in, or even in the box you can do like a
that's a good idea.
You could put a grey background just behind the text, and you can make it translucent, so it doesn't have to be block. It could even be slightly opaque.
Yeah.
So it's not so blocky, but play around with it just so
blocky. Yeah, I know what you mean. That's great. And then that ties that in too.
I think it looks great. I'm so proud of you.
Look what else I did. Look what else I did.
I'm so proud of you.
This, right?
Did you do the globes? Did you do the icons?
Look at this. Look at this.
I'm so excited.
I know, so am I.
Oh, wow. You put the videos on there. That's awesome. Bloody hell, woman.
I know.
That looks fantastic. There's us. Oh my God. And did you use the embed code for this?
What did I do? I used the embed code.
Yeah. Awesome.
This. So I put the embed code because I had, you know what I did? See, this is what you taught me as well. So on the front page with all the blocks, not the actual visual builder, with all the blocks, I went back there. Yeah. I copied a chunk from another page and dragged it down to this page. And it was a chunk that already had a video in it.
Perfect. And then you just duplicate it and put the new the code in.
Yeah. Yes. And then I copied and then I copied and then I copied and then I put then I went back to Visual Builder and then
look at it.
It was so quick.
That's it. Once you know what to do, it gets so easy.
It was so quick to just do that. I mean, they're big, but I think it has a bit of an visual impact by having them big. I don't know if there's a limit on how many you can actually do here. Maybe it might have to get to a point where I create another page and put archive some of the older ones and do them smaller.
Yeah. Or you could even do 2 side by side. And archive, or
2 side by side might be a good idea. Actually, 1 up the top and then 2 for the rest down would be awesome. That's actually a great idea. And to do that, I would just have to have 2 sections.
Yes, that's it. So you would click on the green module, on the cog.
Yeah.
And you can, I think there's a setting in there, I believe, that you can indicate that you want it to be 2 sections. Right. So play around with that.
I will.
If that doesn't work and I've given you a bum steer, just check YouTube.
The video sizes then, is that dependent on what you embed with the code from YouTube? It depends on that.
I think YouTube gives you a code that automatically embeds it at that size. If you want to change that, there's a tool in DBL called YouTube Builder, or what's it called? There's a YouTube tool in DBL. Have you got it there?
Do you want me to just
hop on there.
So I go to DBL. This is good. And Cordelia's posted saw your comments on it, and I just commented to say I'm saving. I'm going to watch that.
Yeah, save it. Okay, so DBL try tools. YouTube player. Okay. So what this tool does, it lets you open the tool. It lets you style your YouTube videos that you're embedding. So what that means is you can change the dimensions. You can change whether or not it loops automatically at the end, whether or not recommended videos are shown at the end of your video. all of that stuff. So if you can you click on one of your videos on your webpage that you have at the moment? The
Should I just pull it? Should I just pull it from YouTube or?
Oh, just one of the interviews that you've put on that page with all the yeah, just click on one of those. Yeah. And then
so I just pause
so
that.
if you scroll right to the end
of the whole page
of the video, sorry. It'll just be interesting to see what happens if it
no, it's I'm just
so you can't drag it. Okay, that's okay. If you click on it and then put your arrow down the bottom, there's no way to drag? Okay, cool, that's fine. So if you wanted to have enable the toolbar down the bottom, as in like the time, so you can see how long the video is.
I should do that, shouldn't I?
You can do that. I think, yeah, you can do that. I'm pretty sure if you went into YouTube, there'd be a button you can click that says show the time.
Right. Okay. Because that's a good idea for people, especially when it's an interview process. Yeah. And then once it's saved there, it's going to then translate here.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. But I was just going to say, you need to refresh the page. But DBL is really good because like I was getting on my videos pop-ups of other people's videos. So like down the bottom, sometimes when you're watching a video, it'll put other videos you may be interested in.
Right.
So any distractions like that will make people click off the video.
Okay. And so you can do that here by saying something here.
Yeah. So suggested videos, they're off.
So you'd go no.
Disable. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Okay. Gotcha. Disable YouTube link.
Yeah. So I do that just so people don't click off the video onto. We can. If you want them to click onto YouTube, they'll go to your YouTube video posted on YouTube.
Okay.
It's just whether or not you want them to leave your website. That's what you've got to decide.
That's a great thing that we're talking about that, like do you, don't you? Because you're building up a YouTube channel and you're building up that content and that credibility, and it would be quite nice for them to go there. However,
see, if you were using it on let's say you were doing a broadcast and you were sending them a video, right? And the video is actually hosted on your website. So they watch the video. When they click on the video in the broadcast, they go to a web page.
Yes.
Underneath that is a application button. You don't want them going to YouTube from that page. You want them to stay on that page. So those are the things you have to think about.
Yeah, that's true.
It depends on the intention behind the use of the video.
Yeah, very good. That's great thinking behind that, actually. Very good.
Yeah.
And that progress bar, that's, okay. That's really good. So, and then what happens is you put it in, you update that, and then what does it give you a new link?
It gives you an embed code. So it'll give you a new embed code based on that information. But what you have on the website's fine at the moment. It's just good to know that tool is there.
It's awesome to know that, because when it comes to like, I would like 1 and then I'd like 2 and 2, because that's going to really utilize that space a bit better.
Well, in terms of the formatting of the videos, you do that in Divi. So when you get the green module set up correctly, so you've got 2 columns.
Yes.
It'll automatically resize the video to fit in that space.
Okay.
So you won't need to play around with it in here.
Okay.
You won't need to do that. It'll do that for you with the space that it has.
But this is good to know this.
It's good to know if you want to make a video bigger, smaller, it's just good to know that it's there.
That's very cool. Wow. That's awesome. I'm so excited. Like I feel for the first time that I'm making true progress.
Yeah.
I would be like, I'm happy now for someone to go there and see it. Before I wasn't comfortable at all. I'm really wrapped in that whole process. And there's tweaking that has to be done. With all of it. Where was it? Where the icons? Remember we talked, was it
is it how it works?
because I know that and I've got to do that. I've still got to change all of that, but there's the icon.
Oh, fantastic. Looks better already.
Right. And
looks better already.
Yeah. And I've shortened, you see how I've shortened that as well. And I've got to get rid of all this. This has to go. Like if I came to this website, like how it works, that doesn't do that for me at all. I have to think about how I learn and how I think and how I process information. And that's not the way I would process it properly. So I just got to think about how I want to display that part. And I like the black block.
Yeah. Simple.
And white, black and white. Even that started to become easy to change. So what I did was when there was duplicate amounts on different pages, I would have a system like, okay, well, do that. And then I'd do all of them. So just go ahead, do all of them, get that done. So that's pieces done.
Yes. It's a good feeling.
I think it's really unwrapped. And this, I posted a tutorial. You know, when you said to me, just Google and search Divi, I did that. And then this unexpected tutorial popped up and it was all about the banner. And I thought, and this is what he did. This is what he did in that. And I just loved the way, because I would never think to design like that.
Yeah, that's it. Because I don't have a design brain either.
No.
I just know when something looks like shit and when something looks good. You know what I mean? But I don't know anything about design.
No, I can't conceptualize like putting something like that together. And so that's step by step. Do this, do that, use that font, enlarge it, bold it. Brilliant. That was just awesome. So and that's exactly what he did, literally. And I think his was on the left. I put the 2 buttons in there because I was getting really keen.
You go, you little whiz.
Exactly.
Little whiz bang.
So done. And then I put a thumbnail for the that video because I preferred like a photo for the thumbnail. And I'm wrapped. I'm just so pleased. So I might not need branding, right?
Honestly.
I'm quite happy with that.
You should be. It looks fantastic. It's totally you. It's totally simple and clean. Honestly.
I'm glad you said that. I'm glad you said that.
It looks fantastic.
And the whole lake thing, because a lot of my stuff gets filmed down the lake.
The lake is really a good idea. It's a much better picture. It's much less somber, but the colours are still the same. The colours are the same though. It's just the setting is less somber or dramatic or something.
Yeah, I agree. Softer, right?
Softer, more peaceful. Yeah.
And I could have left it in its raw state, but I liked the darkening I liked bringing that down because you actually do that through overlay.
So you put an overlay on it, did you?
Yeah. So I
like
overlaid it. And so you couldn't do that obviously on the capture page.
No.
The capture page is its raw state. So
well, if you want to do that, you could use Canva.
Oh, really? And you can put an overlay? I have.
Do it in Canva. Put the picture in Canva, put an overlay on it, save the picture as a JPEG with the overlay on it. And that's what you use.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Done. See, you just like give me these tips and like I go and do it, right? I love that. Like
that's awesome.
I know. And I'm so coachable, right? I mean,
it's so coachable. Oh my God. I know. And it's amazing how much crap I have in my head. I'm like, oh yeah. So, it's awesome.
That's freaking amazing, right? So that's great. So that's me done. So I'm pretty wrapped with that. And I want to thank you for let me just stop sharing.
Fantastic.
Stop share.
I'm so proud of you.
I want to thank you for this because honestly, without our calls, none of these breakthroughs would have happened this week. So I have progressed.
You have. It's been like the last 4 days have just been like bam, 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 bam.
I know.
Awesome.
I know. That's very cool. So